Okay, the question says, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 9 pens A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, H were sold in different months from January to September in the same year. The consecutive alphabetically named pens were not sold in the adjacent months. That means, for example, if we take pen D will not be sold before E or after E or before C or after C. The pen E was sold 4 months before pen C, whereas pen A was sold after March. Similarly, there are a couple of conditions given. Let's go one by one. I have a table here mentioning the months from January to September. Pen E was sold 4 months before pen C, where pen A was sold after March. So pen A was sold after March. Pen A can be here. If C is here, then the pen C will be sold. Uh, uh, then the pen C will be sold a month after the pen A. That means pen A was sold 4 months before pen C. If pen C is here, then pen A will be sold just a month before pen C. If pen C is here, then pen A will be sold 2 months before. So this is 3 months and this is 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is another possibility where pen A can be sold here, then the pen C will be sold here. We cannot go to another condition of selling pen A in June because then the C will go out of range. So these are the two possible combinations. The second condition here says the number of pens sold between A and C is 2 less than the number of pens sold between B and F. The number of pens sold between A and C is 3, which is 2 less than those of B and F. So B and F will have 5 pens sold between them. And where neither B nor F was sold in the month which has less than 31 days. That means these pens will be sold in the months having 31 days. I'll highlight the months having 31 days is Jan, March, May, July and August. So if B comes here, then F should come 5 after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So F can come here. Similarly, if B comes here, then F can be here. If B comes here, then if B comes in the March, it cannot be in the Feb because we need to have 31 days. Then F will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the September. We cannot have F or B in the September as well because it has 30 days. So this is the only possible way. Similarly, we can have the same combo here, B or F, and here we can have F or B. And we can observe here B and C are consecutive. So we cannot have B here. So we can have F here and B can be here. Okay, we cannot eliminate that here. Okay, let's go to the next condition. Which says only 2 pens were sold between E and A. That means E is here, E can be either here or E can be either here. Since the space is already filled, this is not possible. I mean, this combination is not possible, hence we can delete this. Similarly, in this, E can be either here or E can be either here. Let's have E here or E can be here, and remaining possibilities remain in those places. P or F. Okay, we can see here E and F are together, so this cannot be, and we can have F here. Okay, let's go to the next condition. As many pens sold before E as pen I. Pens sold before E are 2. So, okay, I made a mistake here. A and E should have 2 pens before that. So E is actually here, not here. Okay, as many pens sold before E as after I. Pen sold before E is 1. So pen sold after I should be 1. So I can be here. In this case, pen sold before E is this much, that is 7, and pen sold after I can be here, so as to make pen sold after I as 7. Okay, as many pens sold between A and E is same as between G and H. A and E have two spaces in between, so G and H should have 2 months before between them. So if G is here, G or H is here, and another combo of G or H can be here. It cannot be here because this space is already filled. Similarly, we can have G or H here and G or H here. Okay, now we can see that F and E are together, so F cannot be here and F can be here. We can eliminate B from here. Since okay, here A B C D E F G, F and G are together, we can eliminate G from here and we can have H here. Similarly, H and I are together, so we can eliminate H from here and we can have H here. Okay, next the remaining pen is only D, we can fill the remaining space with D. Now the last condition says pen I was sold before pen H. Pen I was sold before pen H in this case, but not in this case. So this case is eliminated. This is the final arrangement of the pen. And according to this, we have couple of questions following this. Okay, which of the following pen was sold in the March? March, we have G. So option C is the correct. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way as per the given arrangement and hence form the group. Find the one which does not belong to that group. F, A, E, G, H. F, A, E, G and H. You can see that F, A, E, G were sold in the months having 31 days, whereas H was sold in June, which has 30 days. So H is odd one out. How many pens were sold between H and I? Between H and I, there were 3 pens sold. The option says 1, no. As many pens sold before G? Before G we have 2 pens, so no. 4, no. As many pens sold after H? After H we have 3, so this is the correct answer, which is 3. More than 4? No. Okay, if all pens are arranged in alphabetical order starting from January, then how many pens remain unchanged in their position? They are saying that if we arrange them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, then A, no, B, C, D remains same, E, F, G, H, I, no other except D, none will be changed. None will be changed, yeah. So 1. Five. If pen D is related to pen E, pen D is related to pen F. Pen D is related to pen F. That means F comes 2 months before pen D. Pen E is related to pen A. Pen E is related to pen A. A comes 2 months before E. Then which of the following pen is related to H? H should come before 2 months of what pen? C. So option D is the correct one. So this is the solution. Thanks for watching.